All right, first startup, 1983 80-inch Shovelhead with a 1985 Softail frame. The Ultima headers and exhaust. First startup, let's see how it goes. You want to record it while I stand there, and you want to stand by with a fire extinguisher?
Do we have a fire extinguisher?
No.
All right, then no.
All right,
Keep me out of the picture.
we'll check for gas leaks first, because that overflow gave me a lot of problems last year. So far so good.
Not dumping that. It's a good sign.
I have not touched the carburetor settings since I took it off the Evo, so in theory it should be fine because they're both 80-inch.
I mean, they have the same like fuel to air ratio, right?
I don't know. Alright, ignition. On. Yeah, had an oil leak. Hey, the thing started right up, which is what I did not expect it to do.
You want that? I'll grab a rag.
Got an oil leak coming from right there, which, you know, that means I'm getting oil.